Welcome back to my channel Tech Getter Official. In today's video, we will fix the Microsoft Teams installation has failed error on Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. If you are trying to install Microsoft Teams and getting this error again and again, then don't worry. So make sure to follow all the steps carefully. Firstly, click on the search bar and then type Services, and then click on it. This will open the Services window, where all background system services are managed. After that, a window will open. Now find Windows Installer and click on it. This service is responsible for installing and uninstalling applications on your system. If it is stopped, installations like Microsoft Teams may fail. After that, you will see the service status as stopped. So click on Start to start the service. This ensures that Windows can properly install new applications. After that, click on OK. Now close this window. Then click on the Windows icon, click on the power button, and then click on Restart. Restarting helps apply the changes and refresh system services. Now move to the second method. After this, press Windows plus R together. This will open the Run dialog box. Now type %local app data % and then press Enter. This will open the local app data folder where application files are stored. After that, find Microsoft and then click on it. Now find Teams and then right-click on it and click on Delete. These are leftover files from previous installations, which can cause installation errors. Now on the top side, click on App Data. Then click on Roaming. After that, find Teams and then delete this folder as well. This ensures that all corrupted or old Teams files are completely removed from your system. In my PC, it is not shown here because it may already be removed or installed differently. After this, close everything. Now click on the Windows icon, then click on the power option, and then click on Restart. After restarting your system, try installing Microsoft Teams again, and the error should now be fixed. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Getter Official.